What's up everyone? So this video is just a tutorial on how to make a modded server on Shockbyte, because quite frankly there's no video out there on YouTube really explaining how to make like a Shockbyte modded server. There's just one kid who explained it really well, but his screen was like tight, so when he was like explaining stuff he wasn't really detailed. So it's pretty simple, like it's nothing hard. I don't get why like Shockbyte can't like explain how to make the server properly. Like, it's their fucking server. For the purpose of this video, I just bought this right now just to show you guys completely from scratch. So assuming you have a server, you just bought it, you're trying to mod it, play with your friends. So view your servers here. So this is the server I just bought right now, tutorial server. You can see right here, you know, nothing like of it. So first thing you need to do is you need to find out what version you want the modded server to be in. So for this video, I'm just gonna say 1.21, the newest version. You want to play on that type of modded server. So you want to choose 1.21, and then it should just be like this, you know, whatever version you want to use, whatever loader you want to use. I'm not very knowledgeable about this, but this is the version I'm going to use. So just download it. And so you have the server here, so you can just go ahead and drag this onto your desktop just for later. And now next thing you need to do is access the FTP file access. So here you will have the address, the FTP port, and your username, and whatever password you set for your control panel. To access FTP, you can access it here. I recommend using FileZilla because it's just way easier than accessing it on the Shockbyte site itself. So I'll leave a description on the FileZilla. So once you download the FileZilla, just set it up, download it, and then launch it up. To access the servers like FTP, so for host, it will be this address right here. So you just want to copy this, Control C, and then you just want to paste it here. And then for your username, it will be this entire like URL, your email, and the numbers after it. You want to copy that entire thing, and you want to paste it into username. And your password would be the password for your like control panel. So I just put my password in for my control panel, and then the port is right here, it's just 21. Type that in, and then you just want to quick connect. It's gonna show this, show all that. You just want to press OK. And once you do that, you now have access to your directory of the server. But as you can see, there is nothing in the directory just yet, just the server properties and the EULA. So to actually get stuff in here, you actually need to join the server first before doing anything. So just go back. For now, you can just go here and just choose Java Edition Vanilla Minecraft. This is just temporarily, just to like put shit into the directory first. So just do that, do 1.21, and then just save it. And now just copy this right here, because this will be your server address for joining the server. So just launch up Minecraft and make sure you're not on like any actual fabric loader just yet. Just launch regular Minecraft vanilla. So just go to add server right here, paste that in, press done, and now just simply join the server. And once you join it, just I guess let it load a bit, it doesn't matter. You've now accessed the server, so just simply quit out and we can head right back to Shockbyte. And so after joining it, you can simply open up FileZilla, go ahead and just redo everything, you know, log back in. And now, as you see here, everything will be seen here. You got all your files, everything you need to configure your server. And so now we are going to turn the server modded. So now that your FileZilla has everything you need in it, all you have to simply do is now go to custom server type. So it's just be all the way down. And then you want to do custom jar Java 21, because for Fabric 1.21 they require you to be on a newer version of Java. So in recent, or not recent, in other tutorial videos you might see that they will show you to use custom jar, but if you're going to be using a 1.21 Fabric launcher, you will have to use the newest version of Java, which is the Java 21.jar. So now that you select it, go ahead and save it. Go ahead and stop the server so we can make sure it saves our configuration properly. So now what you want to do, take the file you downloaded earlier, and you're gonna now want to drag it into here, straight into your directory. So if you want to, you can just leave them in here. It won't cause too much of an issue. So here's the jar launcher that you guys want to use for the modded. Make sure it's on the right version for your modded server. And so once it is, these three are irrelevant now. You won't need them at all. You can go ahead and delete them. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it alone for now. But now that you dragged your launcher into your directory, now what you need to do, head right back into your control panel, and you want to copy this exactly, because what the server is gonna launch off of is not this jar file right here. It's gonna launch off a jar file that has this name right here. So all you have to do is just copy it, go to rename, paste it, enter, and you've officially made your launcher for your server. So now that has been renamed the custom Java 21.jar. You can go ahead and set this aside for now. Now you just want to launch up Minecraft launcher once again, and before you do that, you should already have done this, but just in case you haven't, I'm gonna show you anyways. So you're gonna want to go to a Fabric installer. You already installed the Fabric server launcher. Now you're gonna download the installation for your computer. So just look up Fabric installer, press on the first link, download for Windows. You want to launch it. It's gonna pop up this. It should be on the most recent one, the recent loader. Just press install, and that should be it. I already did it, so I'm not going to do it. So I'm just gonna exit that out. So just making sure that should already be done, assuming that it is, but I just showed you right now just in case you haven't. And so once you've done that, and so now you have opened up the launcher, what you want to do now is you want to switch to your Fabric loader. So once you installed it, it should already be automatically selected for you. Just in case it hasn't, just go to installations, new installation, and you can just look up Fabric. Oh no, not right there, sorry. Fabric right here, and just find the Fabric loader that you're going to use. Mine will be 1.21. Choose that, create, and then it should now be listed here, and you can just press play here, but I already have it selected. So quick note, just after you've done everything previously, make sure you start your server, because obviously you can't join a server if it's not been started yet. Now just check your server. Should still be able to join it. It might say cannot connect the server, but just double click it or just refresh it, delete it, do whatever. You should still be able to join it with the Fabric launcher. Press join and it should be good. You should be able to join. Everything's normal, and congratulations, this server is now modded. And so now that you've made your modded server, you placed your custom jar into your directory. Now mods, what mods you want to add into this server. So just download whatever your desired mod is. For this video, I'm going to use the voice chat mod. So just go to 1.21, make sure it's Fabric, because that's the mod you are using for the server. Just download, drag this mod. You can go ahead and just drag this mod onto your desktop. And now what you want to do is go back to your filezilla, press on your mods folder, and then just drag this mod into the mods folder. Just give it a minute, it's downloading down here, so it might take a while. So your mod is now in your mods folder, so the next thing you need to do is that you need to add this mod into your mod folder, into your computer directory now. So now that the mod's in here, set that aside, go ahead and hit Windows R, do %appdated%, just press OK. Go to .minecraft, go down to mods, and then I already have some mods here. This is just for my other server, but for the sake of this would be empty. There would be nothing in here. So what you need to do now is just drag this voice chat mod into this mod folder, and now that should be everything. So you can just close this out. You can go ahead and open up your control panel. That should be everything. Your FileZilla should be correct. This is the custom Java 21 launcher for your server. It launches off this one. You can completely ignore these three again, not needed. And so now your server has the mod that you wanting to use. Just make sure your friends also has this in their mod folder. Make sure they also have Fabric installed, obviously. And so after that, just launch up the Minecraft launcher. Launch up Minecraft with the Fabric loader. Go into your server. You should have the mod that you're using for voice chat. I have it up. It's right here, voice chat. Usually it would say in chat, press, I think it's V originally to set up voice mod. But I already had it set up in another server, so that's probably why it's not asking me. And that is how you make a modded server to play with your friends. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial on how to make a modded server. I hope it really helps. Just leave a comment if you have any trouble, and I'll try to help you in any way that I can. Leave a like, subscribe, or don't. It doesn't really matter. And have a great rest of your day.